So today with me is Josie Marie. Hi! She is back, as you all know. She was on my last featured video. So today is 10 different DIYs and life hacks for back to school. And on Josie's channel we are doing
10 things you were never told before starting at middle school.
Go check out her channel, subscribe to her channel, like her video, click the bell so you get her notifications. Also, subscribe down below on my channel, like this video, click the bell button. And that's it.
Inhale, exhale, and enjoy the video!
So for this first DIY, all that you're going to need are a water bottle and a Sharpie. So I'm going to begin drawing lines down my water bottle. That's going to be my timeline. Later you'll see. So as you can see, I'm just using my Sharpie. I'm just drawing lines all the way down to the bottom. They don't have to be perfect. You can use a ruler if you'd like, but I didn't. And then starting on the left side, I'm going to write my morning hours. So this is what I'm going to want to be at for the morning drink. So you're going to end up filling up this water twice a day. And then I'm going to move to the right side, write down my afternoon hours where I'm going to want to be. And yeah, that's really all that there is to this DIY. You'll stay hydrated, and after a while, you definitely will feel a lot healthier, happier. Water just, it feels really good after you're done drinking it. And yeah.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word.
So for the second DIY, all that you're going to need are scissors, paper clips, and some ribbon. So to start out this DIY, all that you're going to do are take your scissors and your ribbon, and then you're going to cut a piece of ribbon. It really doesn't matter what length because you're going to end up trimming it later anyway. So I use this really cute music note ribbon because I love music, I love to sing. So I'm just going to cut this. I made a pretty long piece. You don't have to make it this long. And then I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to fold it in half so that it creates like a loop type thing, and then I'm going to feed it through my paper clip, pull it through the loop, and then make it super tight so that it doesn't fall off. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess, and you have a cute little ribbon paper clip. I think that this DIY is super cute and great for school.
Won't you sing out your frustration?
Okay, so for this next DIY, all that you're going to need are a clipboard, some washi tape, and this really cool Sharpie paint marker. This is not sponsored, but it is going to be very useful. You can get them in all different shapes, sizes, whatever that your heart desires. So you're just going to put this washi tape on this board so that it is the outside. It's like really hard to explain, but as you can see, like there is a gap in between the two pieces, and that's the part that you're going to paint. So I'm just going to do this all over my board until I get the design that I like. And it doesn't have to be washi tape that you use. You could use pipe tape, whatever, just as long as you're getting that border. And then I'm going to cut off the excess tape so that it's not in the line of fire for my paint, because then I have straight lines all the way across and you won't see any like weird shapes from the tape. And then I'm just going to begin coloring on the inside of the lines with my paint marker, and that's really all there is to this DIY. It's super easy, really affordable. I mean, I got this clipboard at the dollar store. It was only $1. So it's super, super affordable and just a great DIY for back to school. And then just lastly, I'm going to pull off the tape and you are done. This next DIY, all that you're going to need are scissors, some glue, some string, and a cute decorative pencil. So all that you're going to do is take your string and then begin to wrap it around your 2 fingers on your non-dominant hand. And then just continue this step until you get like a ball of string. And then all you're going to do is pull that ball off your fingers, and then I have a smaller piece of string and I'm going to wrap it around the middle and then tie it in place. And then all that you're going to do is take your scissor blade, put it through all of the loops, and then begin it to cut. And your pom-pom will start to form. Then you're also going to do this on the other side as well. And from here on out, it's super self-explanatory. All you're going to do is just trim your pom-pom, make it look super cute and rounded. And yeah, that's really all there is to this pom-pom part of the DIY. So I trimmed mine quite a bit, but you don't have to trim yours as much as I did. And as you can see, this is how mine turned out. And then you're going to take your pencil and your glue, and you're going to take the tip of your eraser and put some glue on the top of it. I would actually recommend hot glue because this didn't really stay on very well. And then you're just going to take the tip of your eraser, put your pom-pom on top, press it down, and that's it. It's a really cute DIY.
Won't you sing out your frustration?
Okay, so for this last DIY, all that you're going to need are darker colored pencils, and we're going to bring back the metallic paint marker. So, it's pretty self-explanatory, but all that you're going to do is take and put dots all the way down your pencil so you get this confetti vibe. This is my favorite DIY of the day, and I just love it.
Okay, so for this next one, because I don't have notes on my phone, I have an Android, I'm going to go onto Google Docs, and this way, if you don't have a phone, you can always look it up on your laptop. So, what we are going to be doing is, I'm going to show you guys how basically all that you have to do is hit the plus button, new document. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm screen recording it anyway. So basically all that you have to do is type in your locker combination so that you don't forget it once you get to school. So maybe it's 26, 74, 45, or 35. Well, then it's always there, because even if you forget your phone, especially in Google Docs, it always saves. So all that you have to do, go onto Google Docs, look, and it's there. Okay, so the next life hack is always keep some extra candy in your locker, because if it's getting close to lunchtime, you're going to get hungry and you're going to want to have something in your mouth. So all you have to do, just plop it in your mouth, and you should be set until lunch class. Lunch class? What is lunch class?
Lunchtime.
Okay.
Won't you sing out your frustration?
Okay, so for this next life hack, you are going to be getting a calendar app on your phone. So I have this calendar called Easy Calendar, and it's literally in the name. It's super easy. You can get it on iOS, Android, Samsung, really any form of device. You can get it on tablets, anything. This is not sponsored, but all that I'm going to do, I'm going to find my calendar. And on here it has different settings like day, so you can do planned by the day. So at different times it'll show what your plans are, or you can do it by the week, so you can see what your weekly plans are, month, your agenda, etc. So your agenda, as you can see, it will show any dates that have things that are tabbed on them, just so that you can see what you need to do this week, this month, whatever, what days that you need to keep stuck in your head. So that is a really good life hack that I think that anyone should use. Okay, so for this next life hack, all that you're going to need are jumbo paper clips. So we are going to make this paper clip look into a heart paperclip. So all that you have to do is simply bend it. So you see how this bar part is at the top? All you have to do is bend it so it looks like a pretzel, and the bar part is pushed down to the bottom. You see how that looks? So the bar part is still on the outside. Then when you flip it, it looks like a little heart. Now watch what happens when we put this on. All that you have to do is, I'm just using the cover because it's easier for you guys to see, but you can use any page, is you put all of the messy part in the back, and then you take it and look, it's a little heart. Oh my gosh, these paper clips are so fun. They're so easy to make, so make sure that you do these because it literally takes 10 seconds. That's all it takes. You can do it with smaller paper clips, these jumbo paper clips, whatever that your heart desires.
Won't you sing out your
The next life hack is, if you ever have to remind yourself for the next morning, like you have to bring something, you have a special event like a quiz, or really this doesn't have to relate to school, but anything, all you have to do is write stuff on your mirror. Because obviously you're going to be looking at yourself when you wake up in the morning. So you can just write what you have to do. One, two, three. It's Josie. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm sure that you will all already be at Josie's channel by now.
Yes. Skip the outros, you know.
Yeah, but make sure to hit that subscribe button again, like this video, and that's all I have to say.
Yeah.
Remember, inhale, exhale. Bye guys.